Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you how I climb up a tree to hunt. This is my platform and my sticks, and this is a saddle. I'm not your average saddle hunter. I wear wool. I hunt to provide meat for my family. I'm not a horn hunter, as you can tell from the things that I bring home. But I know how to get close to deer, and getting pretty good at it. Okay, so I have some circular pieces of paracord tied onto my saddle here. I just hook it through like that, and it hangs right there. It's out of the way. Both my hands are free. Same thing with the platform on this side, circular piece. And I just hang it like that. It's out of the way. Both my hands are free. So the way I do it, put it right here about chest high and reach around. Now, we'll move it up just about as far as we can reach. Lock it in. I'll make a half hitch in it just to ensure that it doesn't slip. Pull it down, I'm ready to climb. Always use your lineman belt. I'm not right now. Do as I say, not as I do. Here we go. Okay, I'm 7 foot in the air right now. Base of this right here, my feet are 7 feet. We grab our other one over here. Right off of our side. We do just like we done. We use our chest to hold it. Reach around, then you can reach up as high as you can go, which there's a big limb in the way right here on the opposite side. If I was hunting, I'd get up above it, but I'm not hunting right now. Just showing you how to use the aiders. Pull down on it, locks it in, pull it out, get a good hold with your foot, get a good hold with your foot, good hold with your foot, up, up. Now, to the bottom of our feet is about 14 to 15 foot. I'm gonna put my platform right about here. So that's another 2 foot. Okay, ready, set, go. We're not gonna get in a crazy hurry. I'm gonna do this just like I hunt. It's not worth getting hurt over. And it's not a race. We just need to get up in the tree in a timely manner and be as quiet as possible. That's the way I think. All right, what are we at? What are we at? I'm in my platform. Tie off on my saddle, and I'm done. Here I am, 17, 18 feet. May not be able to see me way up here, but I'm up here. Perfectly fine and well. Okay, so my main purpose of this video was to show you how quick and easy it is to climb with these aiders. and how light it is. Okay, so I'm at 5 pounds 4 ounces. With the saddle, I mean, this weighs just as much as this hoodie does, so I guess I could weigh it right quick, but there's no sense in it. You should always use, when you're climbing up, use your lineman's rope. I know I didn't, but even whenever you're practicing in your yard, you should use your lineman belt. I was just doing this to show you how easy it is and how quick you can do it. But always, always, always use your lineman's rope. Even if I didn't right there, use it. You can do it without a lineman rope. Should you? Probably not. So, I hope you enjoy the video. Please be nice to me in the comments. And y'all get outdoors and go do something fun. Do something you enjoy.